to you another video. And this video I bring to you today is basically about talking to me going to the dealership to go and get it checked for maintenance to see about if it's going to get voided or not. Yes, as you can see, guys, I am here. They're inspecting the vehicle right now. So yes, we're about to see if it's about to get voided or not. So I already think that it's not. So yes, I am at the dealership right now. He's putting it in, getting the paperwork and everything. Stay tuned. Video on the Honda Accord 2020 Sport, which are going to get it maintenance done today. So yes, everything went clear. Everything, as you can see on the paper, checked out. Everything is good. It did not get voided. So to my subscribers that wanted to know where to get voided, no, it did not. Everything went clear and smooth, tire rotation, etc. So yes, once again, once you get your car tuned and everything, possibility that it will not get voided. Mine did not. Everything checked out good. Also, shout out to these guys right here. I got a lot of requests and stuff, so I'm gonna put that in all one video. So yes, shout out and thank you guys. Much love, appreciate it, and stay tuned.